Hey guys, if you would like to download a Crunchyroll application in your desktop, I'm going to show you two ways you can do it. First is directly downloading Crunchyroll in your desktop. So for that, you can either launch your Microsoft Store or search for Crunchyroll. Let's go ahead and simply open our Microsoft Store. At the top search bar, type in Crunchyroll. As you can see, this is completely free. So go ahead and click on Get or Install. Now this being one way, here's another way that is simpler. So for that, you have to launch your web browser, type in crunchyroll.com. Just as it is, so you don't even need to get logged into your account. You will automatically see this button that says download here. So you have to click onto it, click on install, wait for this to load. And likewise, this is now working as an app. And you can also create a shortcut. And as you can see that this has been added as a shortcut. If you click onto it, this will open up as an app. You can also pin it if you would like. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.